So you're running a small business and you're looking for customer relationship management system. You're also looking for a way to organize everything in one place without using a bunch of apps. Well, today we're going to go through Thryv Software. It is pretty decent software, so we're going to go through the advantages, some of its disadvantages, and see if it's the right fit for you and your small business. So let's check it out. Now, if you're unfamiliar, Thryv is an all-in-one business management platform that offers a suite of tools. And these tools are designed to help small businesses manage their operations more effectively. These features include customer relationship management systems, appointment scheduling, invoicing, marketing automations, and a bunch more. Thryv aims to simplify the daily tasks of a business owner. This allows you to focus on growth, customer satisfaction, and doing what you do in your business. Let's have a look at some of the benefits. Thryv provides great CRM capabilities. This enables your business to manage customer interactions, track leads, and maintain detailed customer profiles. This can help you improve your customer relationships and enhance your communication. The software also includes an intuitive appointment scheduling tool that allows your customers to book appointments online on your website. This feature reduces those no-shows and it streamlines the booking process. That saves time for both the business as well as your clients. Thryv simplifies billing with its invoicing feature. This allows businesses to create and send invoices quickly. It also supports online payments, making it easy for customers to pay you and improve your cash flow. It also has built-in marketing automation tools. Thryv enables businesses to create email campaigns, manage social media, and track marketing performance. This can help you reach your target audience more effectively and drive engagement. It also has a user-friendly interface. Now, if you've watched some of our videos in the past, you'll know that this is very important. So if you're looking for comprehensive software that can handle multiple aspects of your business, Thryv Software might just be the right choice for you. Now, the key takeaway here is to make sure, because you are an individual, to balance your needs with the packages that are offered by Thryv and see which one is the best option for you. Now, if you enjoyed this review, you can go ahead and drop us a like. And if you enjoy the content that we create, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We will see you in another awesome video. Peace.